Hi, welcome back. It's Wednesday afternoon. I finished my jobs for today. Thought I'd come down to the unit. Today's little project is to cut a piece of metal and put a piece in here, ready to stiffen this part of the floor pan up. Roll the credits. Okay, right, so I've cut my piece of metal and I'm going to offer it up to go in here, like that. That's where it's going to sit. It will sit in there like that. I just need to cut a little bit more out of here, a little bit out of there, just to make sure that that fits. And then we will be cooking on gas, as they say. Get in here. Right, so basically what we've done here, so I'll just give you a close-up on what we've been doing. So I've put that piece in there like that. I've used this bit to go up there. I've not cut it yet, but and also I'm going to put a couple of tacks either side of these, then move these down and then do another couple, and hopefully what it does is it actually just stitches the panel into place. I want to tap that up just very slightly actually. I think we'll be all right. We should be fine. Should be fine. So I'll put you on a bit of time lapse and we'll do that. You can see there, stage one, starting to tack weld all the way along the joint, and I think a few little blowholes there, but yeah, that seems to be going all right. Okay, so I'll just show you what we've done there. Slowly but surely stitching in that piece of metal all the way along, and grinding, and then a little bit more, then a little bit of grinding, then a little bit more, and eventually it will be all nice and smooth, and shouldn't really look like there's anything there. Okay, so you can see a little bit of daylight through there, but I'm slowly getting there with what I've done. Okay, so you can see I've slowly pieced it in all the way along, and it's a bit more work in progress. I also made up a panel at the top there and welded that in place as well, so that brings it in line with the rest of the bodywork, ready for the panel to go back on again. So there's a panel that goes in here. And that's the inside. So it's getting there. It's a little bit holy, but I'm getting there, slowly but surely. Just show you quickly what I'm going to do next time out, and that is start fitting and offering up the seal. Obviously I've cut the old one off, and this is going to be the next installment, as it were. So keep and stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned. As I say in show business, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Cheers, bye for now.